Hey everyone, welcome to Life in the Valley. On today's episode, I'm going to be showing you guys the new sawmill and teaching my little brother how to mill some lumber. Him and Dave came out the other day and put the rail extensions on it for me, so yeah, it should be a good day. So Nick helped me get the second log on here. He already got his first one run off. That's his first little black walnut he ran off there. This is the second one we got on, and we brought up two other ones over there, tobacco. But yeah, this is the new mill. It's a Norwood Lumber Pro HD 36. It's a portable mill, it has tires on it and stuff like that, so you just hook it to the truck and away you go. But yeah, it's a lot more sturdy than the old mill, a lot better built. Automatic water, everything automatically locks. There's your trailer tongue there. Nick and Dave came out and helped me extend it the other day. Put another extension of track in, and now I can mill 16-foot material with it. But yeah, get Nick running this log off here, and yeah, should be good to go. So Nick just got the last black walnut log on here, and yeah, we'll run through it here. This stuff is probably going to be 2 1/4 inch material, but yeah, so far so good. So just going to start his first cut, 11 inches. Nick's just going to take the final off, cut the cup off here, add this to the black wall. messed up on one board, so we're doing pretty good for the first time. Didn't run into the bunks or nothing. The grain's a little wonky in this one, so you have to take your time so it doesn't dive or anything. One more cut off the wedge and then he'll be done. Well, got a couple black walnut slabs milled there. Nick did a pretty good job for his first time. So yeah, we're just gonna take these around back and get them all stacked up. So Nick and I managed to get everything stacked. Right there, that one there, and that stuff there. And then this stuff here yet I'm gonna cut into charcuterie boards and stuff and stack it up over there. But yeah, things have changed around here a little bit. The other mill's been sitting in here most of the time, but I have the rail extensions on it now, so I'm gonna have to get rid of that pile and then it'll fit back into here. But moved everything off the side, got rid of this one rack that was here, and everything that was on the side of it, moved it over here. All with random cutoffs and stuff like that. And then, yeah, here's the other mill set up here. Got some oak logs to do yet. But, yeah, it was a good day. Definitely couldn't have done it without Nick, that's for sure. He was a big help. And I can't lift more than 10 pounds, so, yeah. I definitely love the new Norwood, though. It's a great sawmill. Everything's auto locking type of deal, automatic waterer. It's just great, time saving. It's, yeah, and all the upgrades and stuff you can get for it too. You can just constantly upgrade. You can get a full hydraulic kit and everything for it too. It's just, yeah, a great setup to have. It's an older Norwood, but still works great. Doesn't have a whole lot of hours on it, so yeah. So yeah, you guys who've been following along, the reason I can't lift more than 10 pounds is about 3 weeks ago now, I had my appendix burst, and then first hospital held me for 20 hours and they finally got me to the big hospital in the big city, and I was there for another 5 hours, and then I finally got my operation, but I went septic, and then yeah, I was there for 8 days. That wasn't fun, that's for sure. I had to sign myself out. I was going stir crazy in there. Just, oh, such a horrible place to be. Don't wish that on anyone. But yeah, so I'm back home now. Can't lift more than 10 pounds. Can't really do a whole lot myself. It really sucks. Family and friends helping out a lot, that's for sure. And yeah, still have like a pocket of poison in me or an abscess. So they're trying to get that down with meds, but see what happens yet. Hopefully they can get that away with meds, or I have to go in for another operation, and I'll probably be out for another 6 weeks. But hopefully not, and hopefully like a week or 2 or maybe 3, I'll be back to normal again, be able to mill and go do all the different stuff. But yeah, if you guys followed along this far, please like and subscribe, and till next time, have a good one.